In this video, I'll show you how to download and install HP Smart app. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. So I'm going to open up my app store. If you're using your Play Store, this is still going to work out well for you. So this is it. So click on the search. Come on here, type in HP Smart. So yeah, this is, I think it's a printer app you can use to print. So you can see, I think it's the first option. So what you need to do now, once this comes out, you need to just click on this get. So I'm going to click on mine now. Okay, so what you need to do, once this has come out, you need to just, once you click on that download, you can be able to download and install the HP Smart app here on your device. So if you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the very next video.